Hey there, fellow gardeners. Today I'm going to walk you through how to cultivate the Bignay plant, also known as Antidesma bunius. This tropical wonder is a great addition to your garden, providing not only lush foliage but also nutritious berries. So let's get started. First things first, location is key. Bignay thrives in warm, humid climates and needs plenty of sunlight. Ideally, you want to plant it in a spot where it gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight a day. If you're in a cooler climate, you might need to grow it in a pot so you can move it indoors during the colder months. Next, let's talk soil. Bignay prefers well-draining soil that's rich in organic matter. You can use a good quality potting mix and enhance it with compost to give your plant the nutrients it needs. Make sure the soil pH is between 5.5 and 7.5 for optimal growth. Now for the planting process. If you're starting from seeds, soak them in warm water for 24 hours before planting. This helps to soften the seed coat and speed up germination. Plant the seeds about ½ inch deep in the soil and water them gently. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. If you're using saplings, dig a hole that's twice the size of the root ball. Place the sapling in the hole, backfill with soil and water thoroughly. Make sure to space multiple plants about 10 feet apart to give them room to grow. Watering is crucial in the early stages. Bignay plants need regular watering, especially during dry spells. However, overwatering can lead to root rot, so it's important to balance. Once established, they're relatively drought tolerant, but it's still a good idea to keep the soil moist. Pruning is another essential step. Prune your Bignay plant regularly to encourage bushier growth and remove any dead or diseased branches. This also helps improve air circulation, which reduces the risk of fungal diseases. Fertilizing your Bignay plant is important for its health and productivity. Use a balanced fertilizer during the growing season to promote healthy growth. Organic options like compost or well-rotted manure work great. Just be careful not to over-fertilize, as this can harm the plant. Finally, let's talk about harvesting. Bignay berries typically ripen in clusters, turning from green to red and finally to black when they're fully ripe. Harvest them when they're black and slightly soft to the touch. You can enjoy them fresh or use them in jams, wines, and other culinary delights. So, there you have it. Cultivating Bignay might take a bit of effort, but trust me, the rewards are well worth it. Happy gardening, and I'll catch you in the next video.